I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your number from Vodafone to Lebara, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Make sure your Vodafone number is eligible for porting. It should be active and not locked to a contract. Step 2. Request a PSC code. Contact Vodafone to request a porting authorization code PSC. You can do this via their customer service number or online account. Step 3. Sign up with Lebara. Once you have your PSC code, go to Lebara's website or a local store to sign up for a new plan. Provide your PSC code during the registration process. Step 4. Insert Lebara SIM. After signing up, insert your new Lebara SIM card into your phone. Make sure your device is unlocked to use different networks. Step 5. Wait for the transfer. The porting process usually takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. Keep your Vodafone SIM in until the transfer is complete. I hope this guide helps you with your number porting. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.